Hey guys, it's Rita. Excuse the way I look tonight, but it's about 1 in the morning and I'm trying to get this video together. So today I'm participating in a challenge called the Look for Less. It is hosted by Yami, the Latina next door, and her co-host this month is Natalie with Design to the Nines. What these ladies have asked us to do is to find a high-end piece, something that we don't want to pay the price tag they're asking for it, and to recreate it. And we must show the high-end piece and our creation. So I have found something and recreated it. So without further ado, let's get right to the video. Okay guys, I'm going to start out using this 3-pack of 5-gallon stir sticks that I got from Walmart, and I believe they were $1.12. I think they're like 98 cents at Home Depot. And then I'm going to be using 3 packs of these foam dice, and these are from Dollar Tree. I'll also be using probably hot glue, wood glue, and I'll be using some white chalk paint, and I will be using some probably the burnt umber acrylic paint. And this will be to give the white chalk paint just a little bit of color. I'm not going to use a whole lot in there. And I believe I'll also be using my black paint pen. Okay, let's get started. So first I want to open these, and I want to try to get a measurement. And then I'm going to use my little handsaw from Dollar Tree and cut these down. But I'm going to do that off camera, just so I won't be shaking you guys all over the place. Okay. There we go. Finally. So I'm going to kind of try to measure out what I need here. There's 1, 2, let's see. Yeah, that'll be good. 3, 4, and 5. I'll be using 5 of the dice. Okay, I'm gonna go cut these down and I will be right back. Okay, and we're back. So first I'm going to paint these wood pieces that I've cut, and I'm gonna paint all 5 dice. So I've taken the white chalk paint and I've just put a little bit of the burnt umber in it to dirty it up a little bit. Didn't want that exact white. If you can see this stick where I stirred it at the bottom, that's where I put the umber in, and this is just the white. Let this dry so I can paint the other side. I'm gonna paint these, and then I'll glue this together and we'll keep going. this dry. And I'm going to come back and paint the bottom of these dice and probably give them another coat because I believe they will need it. So hang tight. Okay guys, I'm back and just touching up a little bit. Some of the orange is still showing through, but I am going to be dry brushing these. And once I get through with all that, it won't show through anymore. So I'm gonna let the dice finish drying, and I'm going to put this together. I need a bottom for it, and I'm thinking about using some foam board. But first I'm gonna get these together with some glue, and then I'll work on the bottom. Okay, so while I was off camera, I went on and cut these pieces that separate it. And I've got it stuck to my table. There we go. The separator pieces. And as you can see, I did dry brush them with a little bit of the burnt umber watered down. So now I'm gonna dry brush all of this, the dice, and then I'll be drawing the little circles back on the dice. Now I'm going to get the black paint marker and put the dots back on. Okay, so now it's time to draw the dots back on the dice. Alright, there's one. I'm gonna go off camera, and this one looks off center. But anyway, I'm gonna go off camera and do the rest because I know y'all don't wanna watch me do this. And then I'll be back, we'll do a bottom, put it together and display it. Okay guys, so I cut down a piece of foam board, did a little distressing on it. So now I'm just going to hot glue it for the base, and we will be through. Alright, so here we go. Just gonna put these in, and I will take it out and display it for you. Here is the $89 wood dice set, and here is the one I created. Okay guys, here it is. What do you think? I think it turned out pretty good. So the ones on Pottery Barn were $89, and I created this for around $4. I would like to thank Yami and Natalie for hosting this collab today. I had fun putting this one together. Thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're not a subscriber and you're watching, I'd love to have you join my family. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you again for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.